we had an evacuation order that they sent out by accident to people even down where I'm at.
Yeah, what was that?
It was some guy who fucked up. Because I don't know if you know, this is gonna be shocking. Grab the table.
Wait a minute.
LA's not run very well.
Hold on.
I know. Hold on.
What the fuck you saying?
Because see, here's the thing. We have to worry about. I know.
Isn't the chief of fire department a lesbian?
Now hold
LA's
on. Let's not turn this
amazing.
into. Listen. Here's the bottom line.
It's run amazing.
It's not about infrastructure. Infrastructure's got to take.
I won't sit here while you disparage the great people
Sir,
that are running Los Angeles.
Sir, infrastructure's got to take a backseat to climate change and social justice and homeless abatement, which hasn't worked.
See, the lady who's responsible for filling the fire hydrants gets paid $750,000 a year.